Today we're going to change the pulley on a Belle PCLX 320 plate compactor. Firstly, remove the cover by unscrewing the 4 bolts and washers using a 10mm socket and ratchet. Then remove the belt from the pulley and the clutch safely. Get your bearing puller and place it around the pulley. Tighten slightly so the bearing puller is in place. Using a 9mm socket, connect this to the front of the bearing puller. Then with a 16mm socket and ratchet, slowly release the clutch off. Get your new clutch and tap this back on carefully with a copper hammer. Return the washer and bolt back over the pulley. Tighten with a 13mm socket and ratchet. Place the belt back and secure. Reattach the cover back and secure with the 4 washers and bolts. That's how you change the pulley on a Belle PCLX 320 plate compactor. All the parts and tools needed for this task are listed in the description below. Please like, share and subscribe if you found this video helpful.